Hello mga ka-trending! Welcome back to ZK Trend. Isa nga si Belle Mariano sa may strong and solid fan base. Na hanggang ngayon nga ay full support pa rin ang solid Belle at syempre ang publis sa lahat nga ng ganap ni Belle. Mapagmahal sa fans si Belle Mariano kaya naman love na love rin siya ng kanyang mga taga-suporta. Palagi ngang nagpapasalamat si Belle Mariano sa kanyang mga taga-suporta dahil wala siya ngayon kung wala nga ang kanyang mga fans. At sa naging event nga ni Belle Mariano sa Davao ay tila nga paiyak o naiyak itong ating Belle sa suppressang mensahe ng mga bula sa kanya. Mapa-video message pa ang mga bula na talaga namang makikita na paiyak na nga itong ating Belle. Kaya naman mga kababli, sabay-sabay nating panoorin.
Hi Belle, it's CJ. You know, you always have this little way in letting your sweetness shine, whether it's through your talent, your kindness, or the way you make people feel special. But you know what's so inspiring? The way you stay genuine and kind despite everything that has happened to you. Keep shining and spreading that sweetness, because you have this unique way of making the world a little brighter.
Hi Belle, I just want to say that you being a Juicy Cologne ambassador, you inspire so many people, including me. You show us how to stay real, confident, and true to ourselves. Thank you Belle, we love you.
Their super cheerful vibe and inspiring music, Belle is all about promoting positivity. Yung light up shine, it's all about spreading good energy and making the world brighter with kindness and joy. Like, she really encourages us to uplift others and share happiness. Kaya nakaka-inspire.
The success story of Belle is a legit proof na hard work and determination can do it. Yung Light of Shine lyrics, it is such a reminder for us to chase our dreams fearlessly, like how she did.
As a Juicy Cologne ambassador, she's all about strength, like proving that setbacks don't define you, and what really matters is how you bounce back. Her story is super inspiring, showing us that challenges are just a part of the journey and can actually help us grow. So like no matter what happens, just keep on going and never give up on my dreams.
Wow, what a big impact you've had in the lives of your fans naman, Belle. Grabe. What can you say about this very special surprise video that they made you?
I actually didn't know. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for taking the time. And you guys, I'm really also so grateful. And I just want to say that more than me being an inspiration to you, you guys are my inspiration. So thank you so much for always being there for me. Maraming
Aw,
salamat.
that is so nice. Thank you so much, Belle, and to all of your fans who definitely made the extra effort. Maraming ang bumiyahe just to be here with you today. It has been an incredible afternoon. Thank you to everyone who joined us for the Light of Shine Empowerment event here sa Davao. And of course, Belle, isang kaway pa daw sa mga live natin na fans, dun sa mga camera natin doon.
Hello po.
Ay, may but we love you, Belle Pasila. Thank you for tuning in and joining, engaging with us. We love seeing your comments and reactions. But before we wrap things up, we would like for Belle to have a photo with our guests here on stage. So please join us here, ang ating mga KOLs. Please join us on stage for your photo with Belle.
Tomorrow and shine bright all the way.
Thank you most especially to the CAC family for joining us. We're thrilled to be hosting this event right here in Davao, and we couldn't have made it happen without your incredible support. We appreciate each and every one of you, and especially for being a part of this day. Okay, guys.
There's something in the skies today.
Thank you so much for our first group. Moving on na po tayo to the next group. Next na po. Alright.
And to here, I'll say hi to both sides. But hello po! Are you guys doing well? Are you okay? Thank you so much po for being here. Maraming salamat po. Dito sa taas, hello po. Other side. Say hi. I want to say hi to everyone.
They were here for
Kaya
so
nga eh.
long.
Hello po! Hi po! Hello po! Maraming salamat po for spending your time. Maraming salamat po. Hello po! Thank you so much. Maraming salamat, Davao.
So thank you so much, Miss Belle, for joining us here at the Light Up Shine Davao event. Palakpakan nating muli! Thank you all so much, and we hope you have a great rest of the day. Make sure to join us here. Marami pang mangyayari dito sa Light Up Shine Empowerment event. Miss Belle, it's time to say goodbye!
Thank you so much, everyone. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Can we also...
Oh, Miss Belle wants to take additional photos daw po.
From here and there.
Yes.
Kasi dito nakapoto tayo. Smile po tayo lahat, okay?
Okay, dito po tayo. Lapit tayo sa gilid ng stage. Belle,